Hi friends, welcome to the crystal cleansing method part 2. Friends, hope you have learned the crystal cleansing methods by water and salt from my previous video. Today I am going to tell you two more methods of crystal cleansing. First is by using sunlight. Allow your crystal to bask in the sunlight for a few hours. The sun's energy recharges and cleanses the crystal. But be cautious with crystals that may fade or discolor in the direct sunlight. The second method is using the moonlight. Leave your crystal outside or by a windowsill overnight during a full moon. The gentle lunar energy is believed to cleanse and energize crystal. This method is particularly suitable for crystals sensitive to sunlight. Friends, hope you remember in each and every process it is important to use your positive intentions of cleansing. Some crystals may have specific cleansing requirements, so it's always beneficial to research individual crystals for the best approach. Friends, I will bring another two methods very soon. Till then, bye bye.